How many of you have bought a loaf of bread from the supermarket only to find that the next day that it has become quite stale? Try this easy recipe for breadcrumb cake. First, take a few slices of the stale bread. Break up the bread into smaller pieces and put them in a food processor. Now blend the bread into crumbs. Try not to make them super fine though. Try to keep a little bit of coarseness. Now measure out 2 cups. Now set them aside and let's move on to the next step. In a separate bowl, crack 3 eggs. Break them up a little bit with a whisk, and then add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of either vanilla paste or vanilla extract. And whisk it all together. Once everything is whisked together nicely, add your 2 cups of reserved breadcrumbs. Now fold everything together until all the breadcrumbs have absorbed all the liquid and it forms a nice paste. Lightly oil a 9-inch cake pan with cooking spray, and line it with a piece of parchment paper. Add your breadcrumb mixture, and spread it as evenly as possible. And we're going to bake this at 300 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden brown. Make sure to let the cake cool completely before taking it out of the pan. This is a fantastic recipe. It's simple, it uses up day-old bread, it tastes like a coffee cake, and has a great texture. Slice off a wedge and sprinkle very generously with powdered sugar. This is a recipe that the whole family will enjoy. Have it for breakfast, have it for dessert, or just have it for an afternoon snack. For more old recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.